In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple turmeric, pumpkin, coconut and lime soup meal. It will be perfect to eat for lunch or an evening meal that will also help rid your body of harmful toxins, super healthy in nutrients and has tons of body boosting qualities. I will explain the health benefits of having this super simple turmeric, pumpkin, coconut and lime soup as part of a regular diet, and will explain how easy it is to prepare everything in all under an hour. This healthy meal consists of a number of simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are 1 cup of chopped pumpkin slices, 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of thyme, quarter cup of chopped parsley and 2 glasses of water. And when you have everything gathered, add all the contents to a pan and mix until you have a consistent mixture. And then when that's done, leave to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you're ready to enjoy. This super simple meal will be a perfect addition to your healthy eating routine that will add lots of flavour and is packed with lots of nutrients that is perfect for sustained energy levels throughout the day. This is a simple meal that won't take long to prepare, and you will be surprised with how good it will actually taste and will be a great addition to your weekly diet and eating routines to satisfy your appetite and give you loads of energy. If you are looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and have more energy, then be sure to check out the link in the description to help get you started. Again, if you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.